Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today just doing a compression test on the 3SGE. So it's been in the car for 10 years. It just gets driven hard all the time. It hasn't had an easy life. So it was more of just a discussion when I was away at the last trip. We talked about what sort of condition the motor's in. It doesn't use oil, doesn't blow smoke, nothing. So I thought we'd just do a compression test out of curiosity more than anything. Okay, this test was done wet. I did do a dry test before the engine up to temp. It was 145 across the board. I am kind of wondering what the results would be with the leak down tester now. I haven't got a kit, but I might go purchase one in the future just to have a look. I'm not overly worried about the power at all. The motor still performs good, doesn't blow smoke, doesn't use oil, still goes hard. So this battery is coming up towards the end of its life. It's been in the car for 10 years. Had about 2 bars on the charger when we plugged it in. It was around 12.1 volts by the end of both wet and dry tests. So it was starting to get a little bit sluggish towards the end there. So I don't know how much that's actually going to affect the results of the compression test. Also, once we got the car started back up, there was obviously a bit of oil in the cylinders, so it was a bit smoky. There's quite a bit of smoke coming from the exhaust manifold underneath and from the head. So I had a look at that, and so I lost a bolt somewhere along the line, and also rear gasket was gone as well. So we've replaced both of those. It sounds a lot better. These were the final results. Cylinder 4 wet was 173. So there's not a huge variation in them. I'm not really convinced the motor's as bad as it looks on paper, because it does look quite like the compression's quite low. So we'll get a leak down test on it and see what the results are for that. So yeah, stay tuned for that video.